Hello, and we're back. This time with a slightly different High-Speed 2 update video. This time it's not for South Aylesbury, where it crosses the Aylesbury to Princess Risborough branch line. This time we're going to have a quick look, whilst I'm in London, on the Old Oak Common Progress. So we've just emerged from the core section of the Elizabeth line. Paddington main line is on to our left, as seen there by the GWR 800 passing. These are the turnback sidings to maintain obviously the high frequency service on the Elizabeth line. So we're going to have a look. Apparently they've started building the platforms at Old Oak Common for National Rail, Elizabeth line, Heathrow Express. I've been along here in months and months, probably mid last year, and it's now the 1st of February, so I haven't been along for quite a while. So if there is anything of note, I'm sure we'll notice it, but I'm fairly certain the blockade they did around Euston over Christmas was for preparations for building, because they've got to slew the track over towards the Elizabeth line depot where they're building the main station, to then have all of the platforms on like a slight curve. 345 passing. We ourselves are also on a 345. I'm sure there's another blockade due on this line. I think it's near. It's Christmas again this year, or I don't know why. I get a suspicion there's another one. I'm sure someone will correct me. Those two lines there are the link towards the Elizabeth line Old Oak depot. That's one of the substations for the main line. There you can see a 345 waiting to access up there. That's North Pole Depot, which means we should very shortly see what's happening at Old Oak Common station site. There we go. So they've got some rails there linked up, ready to go. That is a part of a tunnel boring machine. So there's some blocks being built there. Great. Obviously a fence had to go up. I feel like I saw something that looked like platform supports, where these are being built now. There you go. There's, oh, hello. Some sleepers have been laid there in preparation. Obviously the Norfolk line up towards, linking up with the Chiltern main line, used to go up that way. And then what was the North London line, I can't remember what it's called now, is it the Mild Main line or something, passes overhead. I've also noticed these have appeared. Overhead electric pylon supports. By the looks of it, they're going to electrify the link up to the North London. A link which, to be honest, stopped here. I'm surprised they haven't done before, because if they're going to be running empty coaching stock services to Euston for GWR, it makes sense to run the electric trains up there as well. And an active main line. Maritime 66005. Yeah, that was just a quick look to see what was going on at Old Oak Common. Unfortunately, it had a fence up, so we couldn't really see a lot. But if you want me to do more, other than South Aylesbury High-Speed 2 updates, which for some reason get a lot of views, I don't know why, let me know. But yeah, thanks for watching. I shall see you again next time.